Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance. Let's begin. First, go to the Yahoo Finance website and log into your account. To download historical data, you need a Yahoo Finance Gold subscription. Without it, you can only view historical price, dividend, and stock split data. If you have the Gold subscription, search for the stock you're interested in. Click the Historical Data tab, then set the time range and type of data you want. Once selected, click the Download button to save the data as a CSV file. This file can be opened in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for offline viewing and analysis. Just note that historical data usually does not go further back than the 1970s. If you need more detailed steps, visit Yahoo Finance Help and search for how to download historical data. You can also contact Yahoo's 24/7 support for assistance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.